Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Nkosi ngiphile ngcobo bafethu, uthi i-team i-excited ukuthi ibuye ku-Betway Premiership izodlala ama-match we-Betway Premiership. Meyikhuluma ngama-supporter laphana uthi ama-supporter ukuthi abe khona laphana e-stadium babanika leyo boost ne-energy ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina more games, izinto ezinjalo. So uthi ucela ama-supporters ukuthi eze e-stadium in big numbers abanike lo energy leyo, njengoba bezama ngempela ukuthi ba-collect ama-point amaningi, and they will try and keep working hard laphana bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs. Well, badlala ebusuku neSwelele FC namhlanje. Well, maybe the fans will try, but big numbers, I'm not expecting that. Ngexpecte ukuthi ama-fans abe maningi laphana eDobsonville because of badlala imatch e-important kakhulu bafethu. So ngifuna ukungena kuma-games bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs sewadlalile this season, seyidlale 12 games overall. Ivule isizini nge-2-0 win laphana ku-Stelis against Stellenbosch, and then second game yadlala nePolokwane City la iwine 1-0 khona. Third game yadlala ne-Richards Bay yawina 1-0. Fourth game yadlala neMamelodi Sundowns la bekunzima kakhulu, yadrawa 0-0. Igame engabe iwine kalula bafethu, but still they drew that game. iMamelodi Sundowns that time beyinama-complications futhi amaningi, but i-Kaizer Chiefs idlale kahle kakhulu kuleya game, but they could not get i-win. Then after lapho badlala ne-Golden Arrows, highly motivated, bakwazi ukushaya i-Golden Arrows 1-0. The next game after Golden Arrows, ngoba first 5 games they were undefeated, and then game number 6 badlala neSkhukhune United kula baluza khona 3-1, and then baluza i-game against iCabo Scope 1-0, and then babuya baluza igame badraw igame against Marumo Gallants, and then neCabo Scope bawina 1-0, but bokuyi 1-1 ngoba i-aggregate score baya kuma-penalty, bawina kuma-penalty. And then badlala namaZulu kwabayidraw ye-1-1 igame, abathola ama-opportunities amaningi bahluleka kuyiwina. Then badlala neStellenbosch again ku-culling knockout, baluza kuma-penalty. Badlala neSimba-ke manje bafethu, i-last game yabo badraw 1-0. So masibheka kulama-matches lawa, i-Kaizer Chiefs maningi amagame ngabe wawinile la, but-ke bona laphana ku-final third ne-coach yabo ikhuluma ngale nto leyo ukuthi kumele balungise ngempela laphana ku-final third ukuthi bawathathe ama-opportunities abawatholayo laphana phambili, because they are able to create ama-chances but bayahluleka ukuwasebenzisa lawo ma-chances lawo. But sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukukhula from lapho, and then bawathathe ama-opportunities lawa abazowathola from now on, because obviously it's not easy ukuthi uyawa-create ama-chance but you're not able to bury those opportunities. Not an easy one bafowethu, but it's a game of football. Yeah, akusiyo i-Kaizer Chiefs kuphela namhlanje idlalayo bafethu, kuzodlala i-Orlando Pirates versus Polokwane City, kudlala i-Stellenbosch versus i-Golden Arrows, but game of the day would be Kaizer Chiefs versus iSwelele FC, then ne-Orlando Pirates. With the Orlando Pirates now, they will be looking to get some points since baluze 3-0 Africa bafethu. It's not an easy one. Already Polokwane City sebadlale nayo how many times this season? Yeah, sebadlalile na, because badlale nayo first game laphana as Orlando Pirates, badlale nayo ku-MTN 8 la uApholisa abayi-star of the game. Sithemba ukuthi uApholisa ngaba-inspired again ukuthi bakwazi ukuthola ama-results, because it's not an easy one bafethu. After 3-0 ukuthi babuye bawine igame easy, but-ke banama-player angakwazi ukureact ukuthi lawo ma-player lawa batholile ama-results bafethu. But njengoba ngishilo ukuthi akukho lula, mentally akukho lula. Ezinye ngifuna ukukhava, iChippa United seyixoshwe u-coach bafethu. Already kusaqeda ukuqala i-league, but ku-Chippa United sekuxoshwe o-coach abawu-2 bafethu. Kwaqala uBadela, yes, and then kuze omunye u-coach naye akahlala ngesikhathi eside, and then bathi umuntu o-expected ukuthi ajoyine Chippa United bafethu uVusumuzi Vilakazi, because uyo coach alina kuma-lower division, but-ke bathi Chippa United ngathi approach-e yena ukuthi ndoda woza uzosisiza uzocoach. Esingeneni kwezinye, izolo khona into beyilokhu itrenda mani bafethu. uZungu siyakhumbula ukuthi walimaza uBernard Parker laphana, I think uBernard Parker laphana ku-TS Galaxy. Bernard Parker-ke wenza i-interview enkulu athi akekho umuntu waxolisa, akekho abantu didn't reach out, but ubonisa imessage kaZungu laphana online ukuthi wa-reach-a out ku-Instagram. I think ezinye izinto bafethu, imagine ulimaza umuntu reach-a out ku-Instagram akwazi nokumfonela. Is that reaching out? Is that really helping? Hhayi bafethu, angeke. Kudlalwa ngabantu, ayikho phela le nto le. Reach out ku-Instagram. Instagram. Yeah. But siyibamba lapho. One of the biggest performers of the league would be uSipho Mbuli. So far ukwazile ukubuyisa i-career yakhe bafethu, because I mean ithalente siyalazi ukuthi likhona kuSipho Mbuli, but-ke i-risk bokuwukuthi Orlando Pirates izokwazi na ukumbuyisela back to endaweni yakhe, or endaweni yakhe at the top, at the same time ikwazi ukumkhipha discipline laphana, because the biggest thing kuSipho Mbuli discipline. But guess what, this season even noHugo Broos ushilo ukuthi uzomnika ama-opportunities mezokwazi ukuphatha kahle, but so far so good because of uyakwazi ukuphatha kahle laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, no complications at all. Uya-understand ukuthi uzele ukuzodlala, and Bafana he has improved a lot. I mean, a couple of months ago there was no way ukuthi uSipho Mbuli abe kuBafana, but given an opportunity to play laphana kuBafana siyambona ukuthi he's grabbing the opportunity with both hands. Ayikho nje like akathathi izinto kancane, uya-understand ukuthi this is huge, and then he's playing for his life in fact. But kumele aqhubeke. I remember listening to something ethi lo bhuti uSipho Mbuli mengadlala nje isizini eyodwa full ku-Kaizer Chiefs uzokwenza kahle kakhulu bafowethu. No, for Orlando Pirates, yes, athi lapha Orlando Pirates if udlala one full game kumele nje adlale one full game, and then uzokwazi ukucontribute kakhulu. So far so good bafethu, because uyakwazi ukudlala naku-national team futhi ukhona. So baningi abadlali abangabheka igame kaSipho Mbuli, or what is happening ngoSipho Mbuli at the moment, and then they should be inspired by that ukuthi when you are playing ama-opportunities abakhona, and the more umisele, because of your talent alone is not enough bafethu. But yeah, what a life for Sipho Mbuli. Ama-results uyakwazi ukuwathola ubhuti but ama-results wokuthi uphatha kahle kula sikhona manje, but ku-Orlando Pirates akakabi starter, sibeni fair bafethu. But-ke ku-national team bayabhiliva ngempela kuye bafethu, and so far so good. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Danko bafethu.